Now, so we have the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. We already know that. Factors of 20. Well, 1 times 20 equals 20. What else? 2 and 10. What else? Does 3 go into 20? Does 4 go into 20? Does 6 go into 20? Does 7 go into 20? Does 8 go into 20? Does 9 go into 20? All right, now, it says, right, the common factors. So the common factors would be 1, because they're both written. 2, because they're both written. 3 is not, because it's only for this one. 4, because they're both written. Is there any other one? Nope. So the greatest common factor is the biggest number of all of these. So the biggest number for all of these would be 4. Okay, so when I say the greatest common factor, that's what I want to find. That's what I'm pulling out, is the biggest number that both of them could be divided by. It's kind of like when we're simplifying fractions, right? If I had the fraction 12 over 20, I would want to divide by the biggest number to make that simplifying process easier, all right? So if I look at the numbers 12 and 10, what are some numbers that go into both of these? Well, 2, 1. Anything else? 2 is probably going to be the biggest, so I'm going to put a 2 on the outside. What is 12 divided by 2? 6. What is 10 divided by 2? 5. And then if I distribute this back out, I should get this. Okay? So if I do the same thing here. Now this time I have, oh, let's go over here actually. What about 18 and 6? Well, 1 would work, 2 would work, 3 would work, no 4, no 5, 6 would work, and there's a 6 right here, so we're going to take 6 out, all right? What is 18 divided by 6? That's 3. What is 6 divided by 6? That's 1, okay? So that's what they're looking for. Here, again, it's got letters, but that's okay. They both don't have the same letter, so we're looking for the biggest number. So the biggest number that can go into both 3 and 6 would be 3. So what's 6x divided by 3? 2x. What's 3y divided by 3? 1y, or just y. Okay? Do the same thing for 2a, minus 10. 2 is the biggest number that goes in both. That would be an a. 10 divided by 2 is 5. All right, so try E and F now. Welcome back. You should have gotten 5, quantity 1x plus 1. And this one should be 12. That'd be 1r minus 2. Okay? So, now we're going to do a little bit harder, but it'll be okay. Jose is X years old. How would you write that? Well, he's just X. Felipe is 2 years older than Jose. So whatever Jose is, I'm going to add 2 years and I'm going to get Felipe's age. Maria is 3 times as old as Felipe. So if X plus 2 equals Felipe, whatever that gives me, I'm going to multiply it by 3, and that's how I'm going to get Maria's age. And that's all they want us to do for that problem. Okay? Now for 3, we're looking at Naaman, Naaman, however you want to say it, and Ada. We're seeing which one of them solved the problem correctly. So he did, or she did, moved the 6 over here, plus, so this again is called the commutative property. They just moved things around. Then he said 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 3 is 24, so this is his final answer. Ada said 2 times 4x is 8x. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 6. I can't add 8x would be one thing. Minus 6 and plus 6 would be different, so that would give me 0. So their answer is just 8x. So who did it right? Ada did it right. They did what correctly? They distributed. This person distributed correctly. This person also followed what we call order of operations. They followed order of operations. So make sure that you get that all written down. Make sure that you also have your other items completed on this Canvas module.